Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We got a cool one. I'm about 2 weeks late to this, but Claude just released a new thing called Claude Skills. Now, we were early to this in what we called context profiles and project instructions and project settings. Well, now Claude Skills just takes that to like a whole nother level. And this is actually a really, really valuable thing for you guys to learn because it will 10x the output that you're getting from Claude. Really quick, before we get into this video, I'm hosting a free live AI operating masterclass, how to make money with the skills we've been talking about on this channel for the last year on November 20th. It is the 14th right now. On the 20th, this is happening live. It is not pre-recorded. I'm going to put the link to register in the description. Now let's get into the video. So Claude Skills are basically task-specific packages and folders inside of Claude itself, not just the project, but your entire Claude account that teach Claude how to perform repeatable tasks and workflows like generating a report, following a company's brand guidelines, writing a script, etc. So now, the same way we used to make a Claude project and we would add the project instructions, we would add the context profile, it's basically the settings of your Claude account, okay? Now, you can create a skill once and then use it forever. You can have multiple skills active at the same time. And Claude automatically recognizes when to use it or how you can like use it when you choose to, okay? So, and I'll show you this in a minute. It loads the skill and then it will follow your exact instructions. Now, I don't love the name skill. I think skill should have been like profile, but nonetheless, just think of it as the same thing, okay? So without skills, you've got like your brand guidelines, you're gonna paste them, okay? And then one thing that you guys gotta realize is like, you only have so much context window of tokens that you can actually use at a time. And so if we're pasting like a 3,000 token guideline and then asking for it to do the thing, that takes up the space. Well, this allows you to put all the instruction, all the guideline, all of the sort of templates or guardrails or whatever in the account itself. That way your chat is able to give you longer token output. And if you don't know what that means, go watch the earlier videos on this channel. It's very important. So the fundamental difference here is like regular Claude is a generalist. And then you got to specify beforehand and then ask. Now with Claude Skills, you're basically able to be exceptional at whatever you're trying to get it to do all the time. And it's pre-learning how to do those things because you're giving it that relevant context. So for example, if I wanted to put brand guidelines, I would just put that as a skill. I put it in my account. Now, every time we talk about brand, it's going to spit it out following those guidelines and vice versa, right? You guys should know this with context profiles. It's pretty cool. So here's how to set it up. So it's kind of hidden. You're going to go here. I don't think there's anything sensitive here. You're going to go to down here. You're going to click this. You're going to click settings. You're going to go to capabilities. Now, make sure all this stuff is on anyway. And then like, for example, that your chat history works. And then all you're going to do is make sure that you have this right here. It should say skills. And then you should have this turned on. Skill creator. Now, these are all default skills that they have already made for you. Like brand guidelines. I can just turn that on, right? And obviously, I just keep them off. But skill creator, make sure that is turned on, and then you're good to go. So from there, once it's turned on, you're going to make sure that you're good to go. You did what I just said. You have it toggled. Now, here's how you make a skill. It's actually really, really, really cool. This is going to be just the high-level video. We're going to make some videos talking about like crazy stuff you can do with this, but you got to learn the basics first, because if you're confused on this, you're going to be extra lost in the future. So in a new chat, type use the skill creator to help me make a new skill. And then Claude will ask you questions, and you want to answer them with as much detail as you can. So Claude itself will help you make the skill. Then the skill is going to help Claude give you whatever you want. So you're going to answer all these questions just like a context profile. And then you're going to go down here and you're going to grab that. Okay. So you already have this. So you're going to go to upload it. So it's a new kind of file. And so it's creating basically a file from these questions here of like, what do you want the skill to do? What's it going to be? Like, how does it work? And it's going to be a skill.md file, okay? So you're going to download this and you're going to upload it into here, upload skill, and then you're going to toggle it on. And now, congratulations, you have a skill. It's really, really easy to do, to be honest. So how do we leverage this? Like, what's the really cool stuff? So let's start over here. Number one. So identify a repeatable task that you do all the time that you always have to remind. You always got to remind it to do things, like remind it to have context. So something that's repeatable, whether it's making proposals, like analyzing a website, generating content, writing emails, building reports, intake forms. you can make a brand skill or a skill to do these things for you, okay? Number 2, document the process. So you need to make sure that you understand what inputs are needed, what's the thinking process, what's the desired output format, what makes output good, and what are like edge cases. That way, you're actually going through the right process. And guys, this is the boring part of AI, is like doing all this the right way. But if you do it the right way one time, you basically get superpowers. So don't not do this just because it's boring, okay? So record all of this. If you're replacing somebody's job or you're helping them, interview that person. Ask what they do step by step by step, and then write all this down, put it into relevant feedback. You can do something like Super Whisper and just say it out loud, copy, paste it, put it into Claude. Do what we just said above to make the Claude skill, upload it, done. Number 3 is building that skill framework. So what's it for? Like, what's the purpose? What's the use case? What's some background info if it's relevant? How should it work step by step? Decision trees, quality standards, and then examples. What are good examples? You want to give the AI examples of what you want, and it will kind of help fill the gaps between what you're giving it and then what you want, because there is this middle ground here. And so you're creating essentially a detailed prompt that becomes reusable, and that is what a skill is at the end of the day. It's basically like an embedded context profile, okay? So test and refine. You want to run the skill 10 to 20 times with real examples. Note what's wrong each time, refine it. So again, just like we do with all prompt engineering, get the result, give it back, say, I don't like this, or rate this. Okay, fix it again, give it back, repeat, back and forth with the LLM. Test it again, repeat until it is pretty perfect. So some common issues, guys, that you're going to run into: just formatting inconsistencies, missing context, unclear instructions, not handling edge cases. Like, for example, if you're doing, I don't know, making content and some thing keeps reoccurring that's like out of the guidelines, you want to specify that, right? You gotta tell AI it doesn't know absolutely everything. And then you want to update that skill framework. If you have to, upload it again, okay? Now, one thing you can do here, just giving you guys an idea, is selling custom skills as a service. So you can sell skills to business owners. They got to know what Claude is, but you could do this. So most business owners have no clue how to use AI. So if you can come into their business, create a skill that does what we talked about in this video, you can sell this. You can fulfill most of the work with these skills and sell them, okay? And you have 2 paths with this. So 1, you could save time for yourself. So use these skills to save yourself time, your own systems, your own stuff. Or path B, build this as a business. And this is what I'm going to be teaching you guys on the 20th of how to actually make money with AI. I've taken several people from 5 to 10K a month this year to $100,000 a month plus in profit with an AI business. And everything that we talk about on this channel is literally about this stuff. Like, you can do most of your job like this. It is absolutely groundbreaking, okay? So guys, Claude skills are really cool. This is a pretty cool update. It's not that complicated at all. So again, just go to settings, do this, make the skill, ask Claude to help you make the skill, boom, bang, you're good to go. So if you guys like this video, thumbs up. Make sure you sign up to the free class that we're having on the 20th. It is the first one we've ever done. It might be the last one we ever do for AI. And we got some crazy stuff for you guys and a special holiday offer. So much love. Thanks for the support, guys. And I'll see you on the 20th.